Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Blackview Tab 16 Pro. You need to begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to use it, you need to set it up. In order to do that, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on an Android, using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, select scanning icon above User Guide on Blackview. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and when you're ready, select Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my devices are connecting. All you need to do now is wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!